Transcription number 11. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, several questions raised regarding the Defense Ministry and the External Affairs and Irrigation Ministries have been clarified by my colleagues from those ministries. My task, therefore, has been simplified to that extent. Before I go to the questions, financial and economic, raised by several honorable members, I should like to clarify one or two points which are more administrative than economic or financial. One of them was raised by my honorable friend. He raised the question about the recruitment by the Assistant Superintendent's Departmental Competitive Examination and particularly about the examination held in 1960. He said that about rupees 6 lakhs were spent on the 1960 examination and later it was declared that no vacancies were available. He therefore suggested that a definite procedure should be there and the examination should be held according to the vacancies declared in advance, and all persons who have qualified in that examination should be eligible for promotion or for appointment. Sir, I do not know whether the honorable member knows how these vacancies are filled. He probably refers to the selection section officer's grade in the Central Secretariat Service. This is filled 50% by direct recruitment